How to log in Twitter account. Let's see in this video. Before getting started, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more updates from us. Now let's begin. So first of all, you need to open up your Twitter application on your device. So once you open up the app, you'll be able to see this interface where there is option for continue with Google or create account. This option is for sign up, but since we are trying to log in, you have to tap on login option at the button. And after that, you will be opened up with the text box where you have to enter your phone number, email or username associated with your Twitter account. If you forgot your password, you can tap on forget password option in the left lower button, from where you will be able to reset your password and once again you can log into your account. Once you enter your information, you can go for next option. And after that, in the second text box, you need to enter your password. If you forget your password, you can also go for forget password option. And once you're done entering, you can go for login. And after a few seconds, you can see Twitter account has been logged in. And from over here, you can explore the various tweets. So this is how you log in Twitter account. I hope this video was helpful. If you have got any queries regarding this video, then you can mention down below in the comments. Thanks for watching.